Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Paybis in order to buy Bitcoin from start to finish. So first of all, you need to come here on paybis.com. Over here, simply select the option of buy crypto. Now over here, this type of section will be launched in front of you. Just make sure that you have already logged in, or otherwise it is going to basically redirect you on the login page first, where you need to provide your login credentials in order to log in. Now over here by default BTC will be selected, so you don't need to change anything over here. You need to click on this drop down menu and then simply select the payment method. Now the payment methods may vary from country to country. For example, if I've selected India or INR as a currency, only one option is showing to me. But if you are from another country, for example, let's say if you are from United States, you just have to simply select USD as the currency. And as you can see, bunch of different payment methods will be shown to you. So based on your own payment method that you want to use, you need to simply select that. Then simply enter the amount of money that you want to basically spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Now it is going to show you this type of section, so you need to simply click on the option of buy Bitcoin. Now as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the payment page, where you just have to basically view the payment details. Then you need to verify some of your account details, and after that simply conclude the payment with the help of the payment method that you have selected. Now as soon as the payment is done, all of your transactions will be shown over here in the history section, and all of the Bitcoin that you have purchased will be available inside your wallet section. So this way you will be able to use Paybis in order to buy Bitcoin. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.